everyone, my name is Jaewon Abrams R. Galiza, your physics teacher for today. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about projectile motion. Have you ever wondered why the football flies through the air in the curved motion? Don't worry, in this video, we're about to find out. What we wish to learn in this video is what a projectile and how do you describe its motion characteristics.
A projectile is a form of motion experienced by a launched object and is influenced by a vertical force called gravity. It moves in a parabolic path. It's an example of a free-falling object where gravity is the only force acting on it. The free body diagram for the projectile is indicated here. You will notice that there is only one force acting on it, which is gravity, directed downwards, and there is no air resistance to the motion of the projectile. The horizontal motion of a projectile does not affect the vertical motion because these two motions are independent of one another, and the projectile's horizontal motion is not affected by its vertical motion. According to the illustration of a ball being kicked through the air, you'll notice that the vector arrow for Vx stays the same in length because it's constant. Horizontally, a projectile will continue with a constant horizontal velocity as states in Newton's law of inertia. So, as the vertical velocity changes, the horizontal velocity remains constant. Projectile can move horizontally and vertically at the same time. The Vx component is for horizontal and the Vy component is for vertical. The kinematic equations are composed of these variables. Kinematic equation is divided into two directions, the x and y direction. Here are the kinematic equations you'll need to solve projectile motion problems. Note, delete the variables that are equal to 0 to simplify the equations. In this situation, a boy is throwing a rock at an upwards angle of 30 degrees of a 100-meter cliff and with an initial velocity of 8.5 meters per second. Calculate the time of the rock in the air. Velocity. We need to solve for the initial velocity of the x and y axis independently. These formulas may help you out. This is the solutions for each initial velocities. Solution. You just plug in the given amounts for each variable needed. 30 degrees for time. Plug in the two initial velocities in the equation and calculate to get the final answer, for which is 4.97 seconds.
So there you go. You finally know about the basic concepts about projectile motion. I hope you like this video. Thank you and stay safe.